Now let's solve for x here. So this one is very simple. So we have x times x cubed minus 8x to the power 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Okay, now before we get started, understand that any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. So we have x cubed minus 1 times 8 is 8 equals to, so plus 1 equals 1 minus 1. So we have x cubed minus 8 equals to 0. Now with the 0 product, the first solution here is x equals to 0. So we have x equals to 0, and then x cubed minus 8 equals to 0. Remember, this one will generate 3 answers. Okay, and the first answer is this. We are to get 4 answers. So let's take this one, then elaborate it. X cubed minus 8 equals to 0. Now let's compare this one. A cubed minus b cubed the same as a minus b. A squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. Okay, now we can rewrite this one as s cubed minus, so 8 is 2 to the power 3, so we can go by that, x minus 2, and we have x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared, 4. So we have this. So x minus 2 x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we can say x minus 2 equals to 0, that's the 0 product, and x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Alright, so the second solution is coming. X minus 2 equal to 0, therefore x equals to 2. That's the second solution. Now let's look at the third and fourth. That's the quadratic x squared 2x plus 4. Alright, so we have that. So we have so many ways of solving this. Now let's use the method of computing of squares to solve for x. So from here, to complete the square, you have to make sure the coefficient of x squared is 1 and it's 1. So have x squared plus 2x. Let's subtract 4. Let's subtract 4 on both sides. That will make this side be minus 4. Okay, so let's complete the square. Let's focus on the coefficient of x here. So what we are going to do is to multiply the coefficient of x by half and then square the result. So this side will be 1. That will be 1 squared. So we'll add this one to both sides of the equation. So x squared plus 2x plus 1 squared equals to 1 squared minus 4. So we have this and that, x squared, 1 squared. So x plus 1 all squared. Now when you expand this, you get this. So we have 1 squared, 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. So x plus 1 all squared plus minus 3. So let's remove the power here by taking square root on both sides. So we have x plus 1 equals to plus or minus square root of minus 3. So this one is complex. Remember, square root of minus 1 is I. So we have x plus 1 equals plus or minus. So we have minus 1 times 3. So when you have AB, the same as square root of A times that of B. So plus or minus square root of minus 1 times square root of 3 equals to x plus 1. So we have plus or minus. So this one will be I with 3I, x plus 1. Alright, so x plus 1. So we have x equals to minus 1 plus or minus with 3I. So the third solution will be minus 1 plus 3I, and the last solution will be minus 1 minus 3I. So we have 1, 2, 3, and the first one is here, that is x1. This one will be s2. All right, subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.